Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, Super English Lessons. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, friends, welcome. Sit down, relax, enjoy the story, and remember, you can always write in the comments. Tell us what you think, ask questions, or share your own funny wardrobe stories.
Today, I'm going to tell Tom what clothes I have in my wardrobe. And I promise you, friends, every single item comes with a cartoon-style funny situation.
And I'll be here reacting, laughing, and trying to understand why Anna's clothes live a more exciting life than most humans.
Let's begin, friends. And don't forget, write in the comments what clothes you have, and if your clothes also behave strangely sometimes. Tom, let's start with my white t-shirt. It looks simple, but it once tried to run away. I put it on the balcony to dry, and a strong wind lifted it like a superhero cape. It flew across the yard, and I found it stuck on a neighbor's satellite dish.
Friends, imagine this. Anna climbing a ladder to rescue her t-shirt from the world of television. Write in the comments if your clothes ever try to escape too.
I swear, the t-shirt wanted to catch some satellite signals. The neighbor thought aliens were calling him.
Next are my blue jeans.
Friends, these jeans once scared my poor cat. I left them on a chair, and somehow they slowly slid off like a snake. My cat jumped higher than a rocket.
Your jeans have strong dramatic energy.
Yes, and once, one pant leg stuck out of the laundry basket like it was asking for help.
Friends, tell us, do your jeans try to run away too?
Now, my red sweater. This sweater is the drama queen of all sweaters. Once at a festival, it puffed up from the heat and made me look like a huge red balloon.
I would have paid money to see that.
Kids asked if I was a Christmas mascot. One child asked if I could grant wishes. Friends, imagine a sweater that grants wishes.
Then we have my green skirt.
Friends, this skirt once danced without me. The wind blew through the room, and the skirt rose up, spinning like a salsa dancer. It wrapped around my head like it was jealous.
Your clothes have emotional problems, Anna.
I know, and sometimes the skirt refuses to match with my tops, like it has strong fashion opinions.
Now my black heels.
These heels think they are celebrities. In quiet rooms, they make the loudest sounds possible. Click, click, click.
Friends, write in the comments if your shoes also want attention.
During a business meeting, everyone looked at my shoes like they were performing a concert.
Your shoes expose you every time.
Exactly. I try to surprise a friend. Squeak, squeak, squeak. My sneakers shout my arrival.
Friends, do your shoes betray you too?
My scarf is long and dramatic. It wraps around me as if it's trying to protect me or strangle me. Once it wrapped so tight around my arm that I couldn't lift my coffee.
A protective scarf with trust issues.
Yes, friends, if your scarves act like snakes, please tell us in the comments so I know I'm not alone.
My winter jacket makes me look like a giant pillow. Once it puffed up so much I got stuck in a doorway.
You got wedged in the door?
Completely. People had to help me escape. I felt like Winnie the Pooh stuck in a tree hole.
And my raincoat likes covering my eyes. The hood always slides forward until I walk blind. Once I bumped into a lamppost.
The raincoat tries to protect you too much from the world.
Friends, if a lamppost ever attacked you because of your raincoat, tell us in the comments.
Now, accessories. My belt disappears like a magician.
One day, I found it in the fridge.
The fridge?
The fridge. I think it travels at night.
Friends, if your belts go on adventures, let us know.
My socks. Oh, friends, the socks. They avoid each other like ex-boyfriends. One is always missing.
Socks are famous for this.
True, but mine take it further. I found one inside a teapot.
My black dress is elegant, but dramatic. Once the zipper opened by itself in the middle of a dinner.
Your clothes are wild.
Another time, it hooked on a doorknob and refused to let me go. I spun around like a wind-up toy.
Friends, comment if you ever got stuck because of your clothes.
My pajamas wrap around me at night. I wake up looking like a rolled burrito.
At least they hug you.
Too much. One night, they tried to climb to my chest and choke me gently.
My hat tries to escape. On windy days, it flies away like a bird.
Maybe it wants freedom.
Once, it landed on a stranger's head. The man looked stylish, but confused.
Friends, has your hat ever betrayed you?
My gloves disappear and return smelling different. One time, they smelled like cinnamon.
I think your gloves go to cafes without you.
Probably.
And finally, my coat. When I hang it on a chair, it looks like a person.
People talk to it, right?
Yes, my friend talked to it for 5 minutes before realizing I wasn't inside.
Friends, tell us in the comments if you ever greeted a coat by mistake. So that's my wardrobe, full of normal clothes with chaotic personalities.
Anna, you don't choose clothes. Clothes choose you.
Friends, write in the comments which of my wardrobe stories was your favorite, and what funny clothes do you have?
Yes, tell us your funny wardrobe adventures.
And thank you for watching Super Easy English Stories.
We love reading your comments.
And remember, friends, your clothes may look normal,
But in Anna's world, clothes are alive.
See you next time, friends.